Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget.
Guys, welcome back to my enemy video. Today we shall be timing how fast I can assemble this and disassemble with this Rolex watch, which is my dad's. And yeah, make sure to stay to the end of the video and see if I have broken your record. You start the timer, see that hand, that's seconds, and it keeps moving around. Once it goes around, that's 1 minute. 1 minute. And then to stop it, you press again. And then to restart, once you stopped it, you press this one. Then done. Okay. What do I do? What's the time?
They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Ninjia Ultra Combo Mech. And then there was this other combo one, but this is the Ultra version.
Hey kid,
second attempt. Here we have a robot and we're going to do a take 2 of breaking this Ninjia Ultra Combo Mech into this weird flying thing, this mech, this drill, and this weird tank. Got my stopwatch. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Are you, Daddy? Daddy, you didn't press the roller. Let's see if I can break my score. 1 minute and 50 seconds. It's not looking good. One down. Okay, I think. Oh my God, I'm fine.
They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing.
Legs, armpits, breakdown. Oh, pain, hurts. Ugh. Okay, another one, also. I did this in a different order. Strength. Oh my god, just wasted time. Oh my god. Let's stick this one together. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yes! 1 minute 8. 1 minute 8 seconds. Yes. Ouch. Guys, tell me how fast you got it in the comments down below. Lol. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you won't miss the next video of me timing my limits of how fast I can transform and detransform Voltron Eddie's off.